Good afternoon, students. In previous class, we have seen about living. What is living? What are the characteristics of living organisms? Then biodiversity and classification, nomenclature, binomial nomenclature, taxonomy, taxonomic category, taxonomic hierarchy. These all the things we have seen in the last class. Today we are going to see about taxonomical aids. I think if you want to study biology or physics or chemistry, whatever it may be, we need some aids. Example, book or chart or any PPT. So we need some aids to study about something. So likewise, we need to study about the taxonomy. That means we need some aids. So what are the aids is used to study about the taxonomy? That means herbarium, botanical garden, museum, zoological park, taxonomy key. These are all the aids which is used to study about the taxonomy. Right. Now you know what is taxonomy. In previous class I told what is taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of biology. It deals with what? Identification, then nomenclature, then classification. So classification is very important part in the taxonomy. How we are going to classify the animals or plants? That means based on habitat, then habit, then morphological character, then colors of flowers, then complexity of cell structure. That means whether it is prokaryotic or eukaryotic, whether it is made up of unicellular or multicellular, then whether it can prepare their own food or not. So based on that, we have classified the animals and plants. So taxonomy, that means what? It is deals with identification, then nomenclature, then classification. Right. So why the study of taxonomy is important? Before that, in the first video I told what is the uses of biology. That means after completing biology, what are the courses you can take? That like I told. Why? Before going to study one degree, we must know about that what it is present in it. Right? So like that, study of taxonomy, it is useful in agriculture field, then forestry, industry, bioresource and diversity. So these are all the useful aspects in the study of the taxonomy. Sir, how it is possible in the agriculture or forestry or industry or bioresource and diversity? That means first agriculture I will explain that. If you know about one characteristics of plants, that means we can introduce in the agriculture. The next one, forestry, which tree is giving product. Example, rubber. So if you know the taxonomy of the plant, particular plant, you know what it is giving, what it has. The uses of plants we can know by the study of taxonomy. So that's why it is used in the agriculture and forestry, and even in industry also. In medicine industry, if you know the character of particular species, you can identify whether it is medicinal plant or not. So you can choose medicinal plant by the studying about the taxonomy. Then bioresource and diversity. If you want to know the bioresource of one country, that means we can study about the taxonomy and we can know what are the species present in the particular area, that means particular country. So these are the uses of study of taxonomy. Taxonomy is useful in agriculture, forestry, industry and bioresource and diversity, right? Then, so anything we need to study, that we need aid. Already I told that. So here I have written some aids to study taxonomy: herbarium, botanical garden, museum, zoological park, taxonomy. First we will see about the herbarium. Herbarium, it is depository. Herbarium is a depository of plant specimen. Yes, if you want to preserve one plant for the identification, that means we can take the plant species and we can keep it in the paper. First you should take paper, and on that you should keep the species, particular species, and after that we can keep on paper. So you should press it. Frequently you have to change the paper. Why? Because of we need to remove the moisture content in the particular species, because it should be dry. So herbarium is a depository of plant specimens that are dry, pressed and preserved. This is herbarium, right? So we should dry and we can preserve it, right? Then, sir, what is the standardized size of herbarium sheet? I mean 29 centimeter into 41 centimeter. 41 centimeter is the height of herbarium sheet. 29 centimeter is the girth of herbarium sheet. The next, what are all the things we need to write in herbarium sheet? That means date, then locality of the species, next collector name, who is going to collect the species, that collector name, the next which family it is, and next scientific name, local name, English name. So these all the things we should write it in the herbarium sheet. So in the herbarium sheet we should paste the dry species and we have to write these all the things, because if any one person want to study about the particular species, that means they can take easily where it is collected, when it is collected, what is the altitude of the place. So like that they can refer. It is one of the quick reference system in the taxonomy. So while you are studying the taxonomy, this aid is very important. Quick reference. For quick reference we are using the herbarium. Right. The next one, botanical garden. It is also one of the aid in the taxonomy. Botanical garden, you know, I think it is collection of living plants. It is collection of living plants. If you want to know about one characteristics of plants, that means where you can go and identify those organisms, then you can know the scientific name, then you know the taxonomy, then you know the what are the value from, if it has medicinal value, then we can know that. So if you want to refer, that means you can go the botanical garden, there you can refer the plants, where you can identify the characteristics naturally, right? which botanical garden is famous in the world? That means Royal Botanical Garden is famous in the world. It is in Kiev, actually in England. Kiev is one of the places in England. So Royal Botanical Garden is famous garden where we have lot of species of plants, where we can identify many plants. Right. The next, here we have Indian Botanical Garden, and next National Botanical Research Institute. Indian Botanical Garden is present in the Kolkata. National Botanical Research Institute in Lucknow. So these are the important botanical gardens in India. Right. So we have completed 2 aids. One is the herbarium, botanical garden. These 2 aids, it is used for taxonomical studies. Right. The next museum, where preserved plants and animals stored. There we have 2 types of preserved method. One is wet method and another one is the dry method. In the wet method, they are using formalin. They are collecting the species and they are keeping it in the jar. In the jar, they will pour some formalin solution. So the formalin solution prevent the spoilage. Then next one, dry preservation of dry. How it is preserved? The main example, insect box we have. So in that, they are collecting the insect and they are killing it and they are doing pinning. Pinning is one method. So by that they are keeping the insects in the box. So in museum there we have preserved plants and animals. So there we can go. We can know about the characteristics of those animals and plants. So we can study easily. Right. The next one, zoological park. Zoological park is like botanical garden. In botanical garden, where we are protecting the plants. In zoological park, here we are protecting the animals. Different kinds of animals we have. Here also you can know the taxonomy of animals and the scientific name also. So if you want to do research or if you want to know the particular animal's characteristics, that means you can go zoological park and you can study about it. Okay. The next, taxonomy key. Next one, taxonomy. It is very, very important tool. It is very, very important aid in the study of taxonomy. It is also like herbarium, botanical garden, museum, zoological garden. Why? That means here they have given questions. Yes, it is contrasting questions. Example, if you find out the new animal, you don't know about that, but you can study about it. How? Because of taxonomy. So if it has 2-chamber heart, that means there we can fix the questions. Whether it is 2-chamber heart or not, whether it is 3-chamber heart or not, whether it is 4-chamber heart or not. If it is 2-chamber heart, that animal we can include in the class of fishes. I will tell you. 2 chamber heart, 3 chamber heart and 4 chamber heart. Here we can ask some questions. So that is contrasting question. So here you see one contrasting question. Whether it has 2 chamber heart or not. Whether it have backbone or not. So that like they have given questions. That questions, the contrasting questions is known as couplet. Contrasting question is called as couplet. Actually that fully it is called as key. Okay. So in the key contrasting character is couplet. The next one, if you ask whether it has 2 chamber heart or 3 chamber heart, that means whether it is 2 chamber heart or not. If it is yes, that animal included in pieces. If it is 3 chamber heart, in that we have 2 contrasting questions. 2 chamber heart, whether it has 2 chamber heart or not. 2 questions. Present or not. You have to reject one question. One question you should answer whether it has or not. If it has, we can include in the pieces. Class, it is class. The taxonomy, pieces is the class. The next, 3 chamber heart. If it has 3 chamber heart, it is included in amphibia. Amphibia. It has 3 chamber heart. The next one, 4 chamber heart. If it has 4 chamber heart or not. If it is present, it is included in mammalia. Or birds. So this like we have keys, that means questions. After the questions, we can know that particular animal belongs to what taxon. Okay, right. That is taxonomy key. Then each statement is called as lead. Okay. Example. Here, 4 chamber. Here you see whether the animal has 4 chamber heart or not. This is one question. This is one question. Okay. So in each statement we have 2 questions. So one question is known as lead. If you take both, the meaning is called as a lead. Okay, do you understand? 4 chambered heart or not? That is one key. In that full key is known as couplet. If you take one, that is known as lead. So by taxonomic key, we can study the taxonomy. The next one, here we have some tools to study the taxonomy. One is flora and manual and monograph and catalogs. So flora, manual, monograph, catalogs. This tool also useful in the study of taxonomy. If you want to know particular plant characteristics or particular plant information, that means we can refer flora, manual, monograph, catalogs. Flora, where you can get information about the particular area plant. Particular area plants, information we can get it from the flora. Manual, here also you can get the information about the plants, about the plant information you can get from the manual. The next one, monograph. In monograph, we have information about one taxon. One taxon. That's why it is called as monograph. If you want to get the information about one taxon, then you can refer the monograph. We have different taxons: kingdom, phylum, class, order, genus. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. So any one of the taxon information if you need, you can refer the monograph. Then catalog. It is plant name included and also classification also. So you can refer these books for study on taxonomy. So here you can get all the information about the plants. Right. So here we have seen about taxonomical aids, that aids which are used to study about the taxonomy. Taxonomy is very important because to know about the animals, to know about the plants, we need taxonomy. So then here some aids we have seen that Herbarium, Botanical Garden, Museum, taxonomy, and flora.